everyone, welcome to the Chevron STEM Zone at 2006 Nature Valley First Tee Open. I'm Luke.
And I'm Josh.
Josh, what's with all the soccer balls behind us?
It's the STEM bounce exhibit which measures the effect of pressure on the bounce of all soccer ball.
Sweet. How does it work?
When a ball hits the ground, the ball stops moving and the compressed air expands, transferring energy back to the ball. That's how you get a bounce.
That's Newton's third law. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction.
You're so smart.
So cool. The Chevron STEM Zone is an awesome way to learn about science, technology, engineering, and math. Thanks, Chevron.
The end.
You're not supposed to.